Mahalo's greying muzzle speaks of age and experience. She longs to find a worthy successor, another strong female to take the reins. Her daughter, Wame, lives to follow in her footsteps. But she is young and yet to prove herself. Right now, nothing is more important than finding water. But young Wame is easily distracted, and a terrible influence. Wame's antics are wasting precious time. Mahalo is not amused. In Mombo, water is power, but someone has beaten them to it. Hyena. The eternal enemy, but Mahalo has a cooler head. Intimidation is enough. Thanks to Mahalo, they win the waterhole without losing blood. It's an easy victory for Mahalo, but age is the battle she cannot win.